Welcome to Poshier. I'm Matthew, and I'll be showing you how to connect and set up the Star mPOP thermal printer in this video. Let's start by going to Settings. In Settings, tap Bluetooth. Turn on the printer and make sure it is in pairing mode. Connect to the mPOP printer. The name will be different than what you are seeing here in this video. When successful, it will say connected next to the printer name. For more information, go to the Star Micronics channel on YouTube. Go back to the Poshier settings. In the Print section, tap Thermal in the printer type. Tap Setup. Tap the name of the printer and then select Payment Receipt if you're setting this up for payment. Tap Save and then tap Exit. Optionally, you can turn on these settings to suit your business need. Finally, you can set a password to open the drawer manually. That's it. This concludes our video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video.